Najeje, the bird, in our Turkana language, has given us direction where we can find some beehives. So we are going to get honey using this one and this one. So follow us to the journey. Let's go. Let's keep moving. So this is the traditional life. Inaitwa hunting and gathering. So we're in the bush in a place called Nakitongo. So let's go. So that is the guy. We are going with him, and this is our boss. Hi, Twende. Let's go, man. So this is what we are going to use. So follow us to the journey. Okay, we are taking something where we can put some money. Follow the journey. This is what we are going to put some money. So let's go now. So according to our tradition here, so every bird has a different sound. So Najeje is a special one. It's the one who can take you where you can find some beehives. So this is what we are going to do. This is the fire. We want to go and do some lighting so that we can eat the honey. So we are going with my friend here. Najeje is our GPS. Najeje the GPS to the beehives. What we are trying to collect here is the one that we can use to light our fire. So that flame is good with a little smoke. So this is what we are going to do. This is where our beehives is. That tree there, down there. Just a few kilometers where we have parked our vehicles, our rigs. We are doing drilling. We are drilling water for our people, Turkana community. That's why we are, especially me as Turkana Tifet ambassador, I'm a proud one. I'm encouraging our Turkana people. Let's go for this hand skill. As a desert welder, this is what I do. I'm a welder here, but I love photography. For those guys who love photography, get me a nice camera or a nice phone so that you can be enjoying this adventure. So we are going. Here we go. Want to. So because of our own security from the